Yunnan is the most ethnically diverse province in China. A traditional festival is a chance for the different ethnic groups to learn about each other. One of the most famous events is the Dai People's Water Sprinkling Festival. Today, they're welcoming visitors from all over the country to join in the celebrations. The locals built this square just for this reason. However, for the natives, the real battleground is by the Lantang River, where it's a no-holds-barred water fight. The fighting has spread to the streets. Civilians have taken up kitchen utensils against the authorities, who are armed with sprinkling trucks. In this joyous combat, getting soaked from head to toe is a sign of victory. Night falls on the Lantang River. Just after 8 o'clock, Chinese lanterns are released, asking the heavens for their blessings. But good fortune isn't always easy to come by. Finding true happiness often requires patience. Behind every one of these lights is a human story. Thousands of people gather to share their joys and their hopes.